Hi, Miss M's class. Welcome to science. Remember how we always used to say that? I miss you guys and I miss class. We are going to take notes just to remember weathering and erosion. Remember those words? We're going to do two terms, no sentences. So if you can, please take notes with me. Okay, if we were in class, I'd ask you what today's date is, and you would say it's Thursday, April 16th, 2020, right? Two terms. We're going to start with weathering. Weathering is when rocks break apart into smaller pieces, right? So here is weathering. Weathering. And what makes rocks break into smaller pieces? It could be wind. It could be what else? Water, ice, living things. We're living things. We can move rocks, right? We can break them apart, right? We can move them, but weathering means to break apart. So we can break rocks apart. So weathering. When rocks are broken apart by wind, water, ice, and living things. This is weathering. Rocks breaking apart into smaller pieces. What is erosion? Erosion. Erosion is when rocks move from place to place. So, erosion is the process of moving rock from place to place. Okay. I'm going to pause for a minute before I show the translation so you guys can copy this if you need to. Okay, let's do translation. Let's show translations. Ready? This is Arabic, weathering, التجوية. Erosion, التعرية. Arabic, okay? Here we go. Bangla, weathering, erosion. And Vietnamese, weathering, erosion. Okay, now Igli and Fung Jingjang, I did not translate this into Chinese Simplified or Albanian. I think you know what it means. If there is a problem, you can text me, email me, or call me, and next time I will make sure to include your languages in the translation. All right, let's do a quick illustration of what we're talking about. This is my son's cereal. We are going to pretend it is rocks, okay? Let me try to fix this a little bit. Okay, so here are the rocks. Weathering is when they break apart, right? So, did the rocks break down into little pieces? Yeah, they did. This is weathering. Erosion is when they move, right? Move from place to place. What moves them? It could be water, it could be wind, it could be people, right? It could be anything. Anything could move rock. Could be ice, right? Could be an animal, right? Okay, so we're going to pretend that there's wind blowing this rock. And there it is. This is erosion. Weathering is when I broke it apart. Erosion is when it moved, okay? In the next video, I will read your assignment for you. See you next time.